Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. Today, we're incredibly excited to share the details of our 1.8.2 update, which features 3 new major upgrades we can't wait to share with you, so let's jump right in. We believe that the ability to grow your business by collecting payments, donations, and more should be available to everyone, so we're proud to introduce Stripe payments for Lite users. Now, regardless of whether you're using WPForms Lite or have a basic or a plus license, you'll be able to create forms and integrate them with Stripe to collect payments, donations, and more. After connecting your Stripe account to WPForms, Lite, Basic, and Plus license users will be able to add a Stripe payment field to any form, allowing you to collect payments for any goods, services, or donations you may be collecting. Please note that a 3% fee per transaction plus Stripe fees will be added, but if you upgrade to a Pro license or higher, you can enjoy the Stripe integration without any additional fees, as well as unlock other powerful features. Building on top of the Stripe Payments for Lite users feature is a new page in WPForms that users of all license levels can take advantage of, the Payments page. With the new Payments page, you can view submitted payments from all forms on your site without needing to visit that form's specific entries page. At the top of the page, you'll see a payments summary graph that will provide you with a visual representation of how payments have been performing on your site, as well as figures for total number of payments, total sales, and coupons, which will be available in a future update. You can select a specific date range by using the drop-down on the top right corner, and can even view any test payments that you've submitted while working on building your forms. In the table below, you'll find the list of transactions that have been submitted, along with information like the payment gateway that was used, the total, which contact form the payment was submitted through, and the transaction status. If you click on the payment name, you'll be taken to this transactions page, where it provides more information about the transaction as well as the entry data itself. The final feature to wrap up our 1.8.2 update will now allow you to bulk print your form entries. You can now select all or multiple entries at one time and use the bulk action drop-down to select the print action and print your entries in bulk rather than print them out one at a time. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. If you need any extra technical help, you can always go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.